Трн со задоволство го објавува ексклузивното интервју со Павол Лотјонен од култниот бенд Апокалиптика, кои доаѓаат во Скопје на 29 ноември, отворајќи го 26-тото издание на фестивалот Таксират.
I think we have been in Skopje before, but it's already quite many years ago. So the memory of Skopje that people were really like a crazy, going crazy, and we had a lot of fun. This time it's indoors, and winter time it's not that hot than it was last time. Yeah, but I'm sure that people will be hot, and that's the main thing. Let's create the good vibe and good energy together. That's my message for you.
Your music often conveys deep emotion and intensity, even without lyrics. How do you go about crafting songs that tell a story or evoke feelings purely instrumentation?
What is music? That's energy and mood, emotions, and when you compose the song, it comes from some starting emotion or happening or idea. Many times it needs a lot of work to find the final form. As a musicians, we think that it should be some kind of meaningful, and we love like a bit like a darker mood and romantic aspects.
Your early work was heavily influenced by Metallica, but over the years you've developed a unique sound and original compositions. How has your approach to creating music evolved since those early days?
I think that this has been like a long road, and now we have done 10 studio albums, and if you compare the first album and the last album, you can hear the change, how the Apocalyptic sound has been developing.
Do your cellos have names, like rock stars have for their guitars?
That was a kind of joke when we did the first album. We gave the names for the cellos. Yes, I still have the original My Sugar Cane, and it's a really good cello. Nowadays, normally you call the old instruments with the name of the luthier. So my cello is like a Gulbrand Enger, made in Copenhagen in 1882. So it's 150 years old cello.
So you've done some amazing collaborations, as you said, over the years, but if you could pick any historical figure to jam with, living or dead, who would it be? Beethoven, Metallica's original bassist, a surprise choice, maybe?
Beethoven would be great. Fantastic. I would Beethoven, yeah, definitely Beethoven. I would love to teach this for Beethoven. That would be great. From the living heroes. This is just like a personal thing. Maybe not for Perttu and Eika, but for me, Paul McCartney would be my choice.
What direction do you see Apocalyptica heading in the future? Are there any new sounds or concepts you're excited to explore?
We just released a new album this summer, and now we will tour next 2 years. This newest album was just like a cover songs of Metallica. It's like a big honor for our roots. I'm sure the next album will be something totally different. That's kind of a cool thing that as an Apocalyptica we can jump from genre to genre